Guys, can you see that wall over there? I will be on that wall, like on that straight wall.
Are you afraid of heights? Via Ferrata near breathtaking Lauterbrunnen in Switzerland is a great way to challenge yourself.
Klettersteig means Via Ferrata, and I'm starting to get nervous. It's gonna be very hard.
Generally, Via Ferrata is a defined climbing route. It has metal rungs on the more challenging parts and a cable along the whole path which you are attached to using carabiners on your harness. It is really safe if you follow the rules.
Guys, it's starting. Here is the start of the path on the wall straight.
The Mürren Via Ferrata near Lauterbrunnen is one of Switzerland's most thrilling experiences. At some points you stand on the cliff 600 meters above the valley and have stunning views on surrounding peaks.
Oh my god! Do you see this? Do you see this? Do you see this? Oh my god, better don't look down. I managed the path! Was the best, I'm the best! Woo! It was insane, I want more! And I'm afraid that I will wish more and I will come more and this more will be like really insane! So now there's again just a peaceful, calm walk through the forest. Waterfall, and this is how I should now cross it. So 2 hands and legs on the rope.
You can find Via Ferratas in many places around the world, and Switzerland offers a few spectacular ones. The whole route takes around 3 hours. With this pace you can make short breaks and take your time to enjoy the views. I managed the Via Ferrata in 2 hours despite filming on the way.
I just crossed it on this rope! So cool!
Via Ferrata is so much fun, since it's not very challenging physically, but offers you stunning views and gets you to places available normally only for advanced climbers.
We are going down now. Woohoo!
A tip if you're afraid when on the cliff. Don't focus on how far the valley is down below, but on your steps, and keep in mind that you are safe at all times.
Now I'm trying to be extremely fast, and this is more like a forest run, just with changing of carabiners. Something like this I have already done. So, number 2. Well done! This one looks like the very last challenge. So, holding only on the right side. bridge. Even it looks more stable than the other ones with just one small steel rope. Oh, this is so much scarier. It's much more unstable. I managed the bridge. I expected it to be the most stable because it looks bigger and it has also a bigger like space for the legs in comparison to the other ones where it was just one rope. But because it's bigger, it's so much more unstable. Yes. So I think I'm about to finish this Via Ferrata.
The starting point of Mürren Via Ferrata is located near one station of the cable car and ends at another one, which makes it easy to access.
I've done this! I hope after watching my video you would also like to do this adventurous Via Ferrata. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel.